Automating your emails can take out a lot of manual work engaging with your contacts. You can use a pre-built template and let customers follow an automated path based on the specific conditions you set, or even curate your own. In this video tutorial, we'll go over how you can create an automated path. To begin, click Automations. You'll then land on the Automations homepage where you can choose to create an automation path. Choose from the recommended options here. Clicking on any of the options will show you a preview of the path your customers could take. Click to get started creating. When the path template opens, you'll see cards connected by a path that dictate the actions taken along the path. Click the three dots next to any tile to edit the details of that step. Customize the triggers and anything else needed. You can also click the three dots here and select Edit to customize or create any of the emails in the flow. When you're finished customizing your email, click Save and Close. Repeat the steps that we went over to edit any additional emails in the path. As needed, you can also add and remove emails and time delays from the path. Once you have your path customized and ready to be used, the last thing to do is click Activate. Anytime a contact meets the requirements, they'll trigger the path and enter the flow. And that's how easy it is to create an automated path with Constant Contact.